Hello, this is Jared with Banjo Corporation, and today I'd like to share with you some of the diagnostics and protocols for our new EVX electric valve series. Banjo offers EVX in a standard on-off and regulating versions. EVX will have features that offer advanced communication protocols, including pulse width modulation, CAN ISO bus, and Bluetooth capabilities. The Bluetooth protocol for the EVX is the output signal and is intended for integration into a system that is Bluetooth ready. The new EVX design displays a blue LED light that indicates a power on signal, and it will have a yellow LED light that will indicate a blown fuse. This can be very helpful when diagnosing a potential issue that is often just a simple fuse reset that is needed to correct an operational issue. EVX will also offer options that will contain open-close verify wiring options or open-close verify with LED lights that will indicate open as green or closed as red. EVX will contain additional diagnostic options including temperature and voltage conditions along with a cycle count option. The temperature and voltage outputs can alert when EVX is operating outside normal conditions, and the cycle count option can be used to indicate a maintenance alert once a designated number of cycles is reached by the end user. These diagnostics are provided as outputs to be used as information or alerts in an integrated system or software application. If you would like to learn more about the new EVX electric valve, you can go to www.banjocorp.com/banjo/EVX. Thanks and have a good day.